everyone. Welcome to English Go Easy. I'm Mrs. Johnson, a high school English teacher. Today, we have a new student joining our class, and I want to show you how to make a new student feel welcome and how to have a natural conversation in an educational setting. Let's see how this plays out.
New student at class. Okay, everyone, settle down. I have an announcement. We have a new student joining our class today. His name is Marcus. Marcus, why don't you come up and introduce yourself to the class?
Hi, everyone. Thanks for having me. I'm Marcus. I just moved here from California with my family. My dad got a job transfer. This is my third new school in the last 2 years because we keep moving. I'm excited to be here, though. I'm pretty into sports, especially basketball, and I like reading sci-fi novels. Nice to meet you all.
Welcome, Marcus. We're excited to have you. Why don't you sit right here next to Diana? Diana, can you make sure Marcus has everything he needs and knows where things are?
Sure, Mrs. Johnson. Hey, Marcus, welcome. I'm Diana.
Thanks, Diana. All right, everyone, let's get started. Today, we're discussing Chapter 5 of To Kill a Mockingbird. Lunch break conversation. Hey, man, so how was your first class? Pretty intense, right? Mrs. Johnson really loves that book.
Yeah, she seems cool. I've never read that book before. We didn't get to it at my last school. Is it really as good as she says?
Honestly, yeah, it's actually really good. I wasn't sure at first, but it's powerful. The story is interesting and it makes you think about serious stuff.
That's good. I'm a little worried about keeping up. We moved so fast today. What chapter are you guys on?
We're on chapter 5, like she said. But don't worry, you'll catch up fast. Mrs. Johnson gives us reading guides to help, and we have discussions in class so you can understand it through those.
That sounds helpful. Do you have a lot of homework?
For English, usually we have to read the next chapter and answer some comprehension questions. It's not too bad. Maybe 45 minutes to an hour per night.
Okay, that's manageable. Hey, do you know where the library is? I need to find some books.
Yeah, it's down that hallway. Take a right and it's on your left. You can't miss it. It's a pretty cool library, actually. They have a lot of good books.
Perfect, thanks. So, how long have you been at this school?
Since freshman year, so almost 4 years. I really like it here. The teachers are pretty cool and the students are friendly. You'll fit in.
That's reassuring. 4 years is a long time. I've gone to 3 schools in 2 years, so I'm kind of tired of being the new kid.
That must be rough, having to make new friends over and over.
It is, but I'm trying to stay positive. I just want to settle somewhere and actually finish high school at the same place.
Well, hopefully this is it. This school is good. And honestly, people here are welcoming. By next week, you'll have made friends.
I hope so. Do you play basketball? You mentioned sports.
I do. I'm on the school team, varsity. We're pretty good. Are you trying out for anything?
Probably. Basketball is my favorite. Do you think I should try out?
Definitely. Coach is looking for players. Tryouts are next month. You should come.
Cool. I'll definitely try out. What's the coach like?
Coach Martinez? She's strict but fair. She pushes you hard, but she also cares about her players. She's a good person.
That sounds good. I like coaches like that. Ones who are tough but actually care.
Yeah, she's the best. Oh, and warning, don't be late to her practices. She does not tolerate that.
Got it. No tardiness. Anything else I should know about the school?
Let me think. The cafeteria food is actually decent on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Stay away on Mondays. The pizza is terrible.
Huh, good to know. Any other tips?
The bathroom on the second floor is always crowded. Use the one on the third floor. And parking is competitive. If you drive, get here early.
These are valuable tips, thanks. So, what are you doing after school?
Basketball practice. We have it every day after school, except Wednesday.
That sounds fun. How long is practice?
Usually 2.5 hours, 3 on game days.
That's intense. How do you manage homework with that schedule?
Honestly, it's tough. I do homework after practice, usually 6 to 8 p.m. Then I have free time. It's a lot, but you get used to it.
That's a lot of time commitment, but I guess it's worth it if you love the sport.
Totally. Plus, the team is like a family. We hang out outside of practice too.
That's cool. Maybe I'll join and experience that.
You should. Basketball players are cool people. You'll like them.
I'm starting to feel a lot better about being here. Thanks for being so welcoming.
No problem. That's what we do here. We help new students feel comfortable.
Hey, can I ask you something? Where should I sit at lunch? Is there assigned seating or can I sit anywhere?
Anywhere. There's no assigned seating. There are different groups, though, like the athlete table, the art kids, the drama kids, but everyone mixes. You can sit wherever.
So it's not like super cliquey.
Not really. I mean, people have their friends groups, but it's pretty inclusive. Nobody's mean about where you sit.
That's really nice. At my last school, it was very cliquey. You had to sit with your group.
Yeah, that's not how it is here. Honestly, just come sit with me and my friends tomorrow. You'll meet some cool people.
Really? You do that?
Of course, we always have space at our table.
That's awesome. I appreciate it so much.
No worries. Oh, one more thing. We have a basketball game this Friday. You should come. It's fun. The school spirit is pretty cool.
I'll definitely come. What time?
7 p.m. at the gym. We're playing against Central High.
I'll be there. This is my first week, and you've already made it so much better.
That's awesome. Welcome to the school. I have a feeling you're going to fit in great.
Thanks for everything, Diana. You're a really good person.
Thanks. That's what I try to do. All right, I gotta get to my next class. See you at lunch tomorrow?
Yeah, definitely. Thanks again.
No problem. See you later.
All right, everyone. That was a great example of how to welcome a new student. Notice how Diana was friendly, helpful, and inclusive. She answered Marcus's questions, gave him useful information about the school, and invited him to join her group. That's exactly how you should treat new students.
All right, everyone. That was a typical conversation with a new student at school.
Notice how Diana was friendly and welcoming from the very beginning.
She didn't make Marcus feel awkward or left out.
Key phrases you heard. How was your first class? Don't worry, you'll catch up. You'll fit in. Welcome to the school.
Diana gave practical information, where the library is, what homework is like, cafeteria tips.
She also invited Marcus to social activities, sitting at lunch together, attending a basketball game.
Important vocabulary: tryouts, varsity, practices, cliquing, inclusive, seated.
When you meet a new student, be genuinely welcoming and helpful.
Answer their questions. Give them useful information about the school.
Invite them to join your social groups. Make them feel included.
Thanks for listening to English Go Easy.
Making new students feel welcome is important for everyone.
Subscribe for more real-life English scenarios.
Until next time, be kind to new students.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.